Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Jordan, and in this short video I'd like to share with you my bullish idea about cable, GBPUSD of course. Well, starting from the weekly chart, obviously we are expecting some sort of continuation to the downside. Now the question is when exactly and how exactly can we trade it given the current situation. Zooming in, we can see that we have more or less a double bottom here, which is already pushing with this bullish pressure and the potential bullish divergence. So weekly chart suggesting bearish continuation lower. However, in the shorter term, this divergence, once completed, of course, is supposed to push the price at least higher as long as this high is not broken. Dropping down to the to the daily chart, this is where the divergence was already completed here. Okay, and we already had multiple false breaks on the lower time frames as well. Going to the 4-hour chart even, this is the false breaks I'm referring to, and those are the multiple divergences that we can see here as well. Basically, the pair is trading inside this possible potential triangle, and my idea is very simple, guys. As long as there is no breakout below, and this breakout to be coming with momentum pullbacks holding here and continuation lower, I will be looking for the price to touch the top of this range. So going back to the 4-hour chart, I would like to see this high being broken. We got the trend line breakout already, okay, with the spike now with this current candle. So break above this high, seeing momentum here, not divergence, would be what we're looking for, and this is most likely going to happen on the 1-hour chart. When we speak about MAs, of course, the histogram will be there most likely as well. So basically that's the idea. Let's see break above here. Of course, pullbacks, even on the 1-hour chart, we might be looking for possible hidden divergences to be appearing to form. If we get the hidden divergence, that would be even better. Of course, we have multiple ways of trading it. You can be using Fibonacci's, you can be using levels, which means basically support zones on the way. You can be using divergence, you can be using step trading, softwares, anything you have in mind. Just let the market confirm this bullish continuation, and then we can start looking for the setups. And naturally, this is the invalidation zone, which if broken, then we're going to stop looking for the buys. And that's pretty much all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it or you have a question, guys, please drop a comment below the video. Make sure to join us on Telegram for many more setups like this one. Wishing you a wonderful day. Bye for now.